Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about something really cool in English called irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Verbs are action words. They tell us what we do, like run, jump, or play. But some verbs are a little different. An irregular verb is a verb that does not follow the usual rules of grammar. Let's look at some examples. Our first verb is be. In the past, we say was or were. And when we're talking about something that has happened, we say been. Now let's see more of these special verbs. The verb become changes to became and become again, like she became a teacher. Begin turns into began and begun. He began to read the book. Bite changes to bit and bitten. The dog bit the toy. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more educational videos.